One day, a magician walks into an AmpQuartz showroom, and he said he can make countertop to change color. He can change color magic wand, and he waves over a series of quartz countertops, and some of the tops remain in their original color. But after that, he uses lightning tricks to make it appear they have changed the color. So after that, the magician reveals his trick and highlights how the quartz glossy finish beautifully reflects light and making it versatile for any kitchen. So the question is, what trick does the magician use to make the quartz countertops appear to change color? Okay, see if you remember. Okay. So what's the answer?
We believe the answer is lighting tricks.
That's right, correct. Let's ask the team. What was your answer?
My answer is because he is a magician, so he can do whatever he wants.
Congratulations to Team B. Okay, so we are celebrating our anniversary in AmpQuartz, and now we brought in a time capsule, right? Time capsule in the showroom, and then the capsule is filled with samples of popular countertop materials, including a piece of eco-friendly recycled glass countertop, aiming to show the future generations of the sustainability efforts of the current era. The event is filled with anticipation and excitement as customers and staff imagine people of the future discovering their commitment to the environment. The question is, what type of countertop sample is placed in the time capsule to showcase sustainability factors? 1, 2, 3!
Sorry.
It's okay. He may not be correct.
Eco-friendly glass countertop.
Correct. Okay, next question. AmpQuartz hosts a cake decoration contest in the showroom to highlight the durability and ease of cleaning of their quartz countertops. Contestants are given an array of colorful icings and toppings. One enthusiastic participant gets a little too spirited, sending a puff of powdered sugar over the countertop. They quickly clean it up, demonstrating just how easy it is to maintain the pristine condition of the quartz surface. Okay, question. What event caused the participant to demonstrate the easy cleaning of quartz countertops? 1, 2, 3! Right, give your answer.
5 seconds, 5 seconds.
Only 5 seconds. 5. Wow, hey! Okay, put back once again.
Anniversary.
Wrong. Okay, your chance.
Cake decorating program.
Okay, that's right. Correct. Okay, 2 times already, so you're the winner lah. So you wanna... Okay, so for this game, you guys are the winner. Okay, we are moving to the third game.